Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to show you how you can make some plain potatoes, just some ordinary potatoes. These are Yukon Golds. I put about 8 of them, and I cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then you put them in a nice pan like this. This is let's see, this one's a 16 by 12 by 1. And then get your parchment paper and stick it there. And then take some garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper and put it all over the top, and then toss them in the air like that. This is the Italian way. See? I'm just kidding. But anyways, toss them up, mix them up real well, and then preheat your oven to 475 degrees. And then we're going to bake them until they come out to be crispy and brown. About halfway through, you're going to want to flip them over. Okay, I'll come back and show you the final result. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you when your potatoes start looking like this, where they're a little bit brown on the top, that's when you'll take them out and flip them over. And just be, a little careful when flipping them. These aren't going to take much longer, but see, they get, I don't know if you can see how crispy they get on the bottom when you give them time. Everybody's ovens will vary, so it'll just depend on how hot your oven gets. Even at 475, it shouldn't take that awful long. I think it's been about 20 minutes right now. They're already pretty much done. You can see the potatoes sort of look dry. But if they get too shiny or they're too wet, then they're not done. Okay, so that'll be something you're going to look for. You're going to look for drier potatoes. And then you're really going to want to hold it with one hand if you can. I can't show you that here, but hold it with one hand to flip them over, because sometimes they'll stick, you see. But that's okay. You don't want to put any oil or anything on this. These are just dried potatoes, oil-free. Okay, I'll come back and show you once they're all flipped over. Okay, when flipping, you see how these ones here sort of have a wet appearance to them? That means you're just going to want to bake them a little bit longer. I would say this is only going to take about 8 to 10 minutes longer. So look for the wet, and make sure you flip them over. But it shouldn't take much longer than that. Okay, we'll come back after they're ready to be served. Okay guys, now the potatoes are done. You'll see they're a little bit brown. And so they're crispy and soft all at the same time. I'll show you when it's plated up. Hi guys, well, here's the ending result. You can see the steam still coming off of it. And made some avocado toast. Check out for that recipe coming up next. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.